CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.2 Explain database concepts and the purpose of a database. Using a database. Databases have become an integral part of our modern world, permeating virtually every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, databases are at work. In the realm of technology, they power the applications on our smartphones, storing contacts, messages, and app data. Online shopping relies on databases to manage product information, inventory, and customer accounts. Even social media platforms utilize databases to store user profiles, posts, and interactions. In essence, databases are the unsung heroes of the digital age, silently and seamlessly managing vast amounts of information, making our modern world more efficient and interconnected than ever before. So what is a database? A database is a structured collection of organized data that is stored and managed in a way that allows for efficient retrieval, modification, and analysis of information. If you are still a bit fuzzy with this idea, think of it as a digital filing cabinet, providing a centralized place to store and manage information. Creating a database is like setting up a brand new filing cabinet. You give it a name, define what information the database will store, where it will be stored, and how the information will be accessed. And just like that, voila, it's ready to store your data. Once you have created a new database, it will be empty. Now you will need to populate the new database with data records. Data records can be input manually or imported from another source. Whether you input records manually or import them from another source, this is just like placing documents into your filing cabinet. Now that we have all these records that have been placed into our database, what then? Well, we could query the database. A query is a question or request for specific information from a database and is the way in which we retrieve data stored in the database. Imagine a database that stores student records. Now think of a query as having a magical conversation with your database. You can ask it all sorts of questions, like who has the highest grade, or how many students scored above 90. The database, with its lightning-fast search and retrieval abilities, will provide you with the exact answers you're looking for, helping you make informed decisions and gain valuable insights from your data. Lastly, reporting is about creating organized, visual summaries of queried data. Reports play a crucial role in transforming raw data into meaningful, organized, and visually appealing information. Think of reports as the polished presentations of your data, much like the executive summary of a comprehensive document. They are designed to provide a clear, concise, and structured view of the data, making it easier for users to understand and analyze the information at a glance. And that concludes your introduction to databases. From creation to data inputs and imports, queries, and reports. Databases are critical to modern information sharing and storage, and understanding them is a fundamental skill that everyone in the IT field should have. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.